Are you fed up with your wired earphones? Want new noise-canceling wireless earpods? But confused about which one to go for? No worries, we got your back. In this video we have listed top 5 best noise-canceling wireless earpods that are available on the market. For more information on the products, I have included links in description box down below which are updated for the best prices. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this. Also don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with friends. Now let's get started. Sony WF1000XM4. The first earbuds in our list are Sony plus WF1000XM4, the industry-leading noise-canceling earbuds with a new integrated processor V1 and inbuilt Alexa. The earbud delivers exceptional sound quality and supports LDAC codec. It has crystal-clear sound quality, a bone conduction sensor and a beamforming microphone which provides clear voice detection even in noisy environments. With these amazing earbuds, you can pair 2 Bluetooth devices and easily switch your headphones to either of the 2 devices with just one touch. The device comes with a powerful battery that gives 24 hours of standby time, 8 hours from your headphones and 16 hours in the case. Furthermore, you don't have to worry about splashes, sweat, etc., as this earbud is IPX4 water resistant, so you can keep moving to the music. The device gets charged easily with wireless Qi technology, that is, it gives 60 minutes of playtime in just 5 minutes of quick charge. You will also get 4 months of free access to more than 75 million music via Amazon Music with the device. Bose Quiet Comfort Noise Cancelling Earbuds. The quietest and most sleek earbuds available in the marketplace. Bose Quiet Comfort Noise Cancelling Earbuds are specially designed with the best world-class noise cancelling and high-fidelity audio. The device features transparency mode that eliminates all distractions of surroundings and makes you feel like you aren't wearing earbuds. It also has high-fidelity audio that makes music, podcasts, and videos come to life. On the other hand, its volume-optimized active EQ makes the sound crisp and balanced at any level. Additionally, the earbuds are very comfortable to wear because of their soft silicone crafting, and 3 sizes of Stay Here Max ear tips are included. You also don't have to worry about the weather, sweat, or water as these earbuds are IPX4 rated dust and sweat resistant so that anything won't get in the way of your music. The earbuds are compatible with iOS and Android and optimized for Bluetooth 5.1, so you'll get a strong wireless signal as long as you're within 30 feet of your paired device. With its powerful battery, you will use up to 6 hours straight without interruption, and the case gives you up to 12 hours of listening time. Also, the charging case is compatible with any Qi certified wireless charging mat. The earbuds are available in 2 variants, triple black or soapstone. Pick your favorite one and enjoy non-stop entertainment without any hassle. The third earbuds in the segment are from the most promising brand, Apple. The AirPods Pro 2 second generation is a wireless earbud that features up to 2 times more active noise cancellation than any. Apple AirPods Pro 2 features adaptive transparency that allows you to comfortably hear the world by adjusting for intense noise like sirens or construction in real time. The earpods are available with 4 pairs of silicone tips to fit a range of ear sizes and provide whole-day comfort. The amazing device offers personalized spatial audio that surrounds you in sound made just for you. It works with dynamic head tracking to give you another world-like experience and immerse you deeper in movies, music, and podcasts. With inbuilt Siri, you can get a quick magical experience and voice command your device without any physical touch. You will get 6 hours of active listening time with active noise cancellation active, that is, 33% more than AirPods Pro, first generation, and 30 hours of full listening time with the charging case. Beats Studio Buds. The true wireless noise-canceling Beats Studio Bud is made for a next-level music experience. The amazing buds are designed with a custom acoustic platform and arranged to deliver clear, powerful, and balanced sound in a compact, in-ear form. The earbud comes with 3 soft ear tip sizes for a better and more comfortable fit while ensuring an optimal acoustic seal. It offers 8 hours of active listening and 24 hours of playback combined with a charging case. These earbuds provide 2 listening modes, transparency mode and active noise cancelling, ANC, mode, to give total control of your sound. With its one-touch pairing feature, you can easily pair your earpods with Apple and Android devices in one touch. It is IPX4 rated sweat and water resistant for all weather fun and non-stop listening. Apart from these amazing features, you will also get 6 months of free music for your Beats. You can listen to up to 90 million songs ad-free at no additional and hidden cost. You will get a quick starting guide, charging case, ear tips, USB-C to USB-C charging cable and warranty card in the box along with the Beats Studio Buds. Jabra Elite 4 Earbuds. The Jabra Elite 4 is an exceptional earbud designed especially for an active lifestyle. If you are a fitness lover and spend your long hours running or in a gym, these earpods are a dream come true. Its ergonomic and wing-free design allows it to stay in place with great comfort during any hardcore activity. The earphone has 4 microphones for crystal clear and next-level calling experience. You can easily connect these earphones from your Android device with Google Fast Pair and instantly play your favorite songs with Spotify. The device comes with inbuilt Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant, so you can easily control your device and access your music and information. The device offers amazing battery life of up to 7 hours per bud and 28 hours with the case. In addition, you will also get 2 years of warranty from the manufacturers and these IP57 certified water and sweat-proof earbuds. This was all from our side to guide you about the 5 best earbuds that you can buy. If you like this video or this video helped you, please give this video a like. Links to all the product mentioned are in description box down below. If you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button to receive update on our latest video.